Hey guys, it's Vicki. I do have a food haul for you, but first I'd like to say if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by and maybe watching the video, giving it a thumbs up or leaving a comment. I'd appreciate it. And for those of you that are returning, very much appreciate all of you. The YouTube community has just been amazing and so supportive and have met so many great people. So with that said, let's get into it. Yesterday, Lori and I went and we had a really good British fish and chips, which we have video on. We don't have it up yet though. And then we stopped at a place in Colorado Springs called the British Pantry. I'll have their link listed down below. And I did some shopping because I want to do some cooking and some taste test videos. So I thought I'd show you everything I bought while I was there. So we'll do the meats first so I can get them back in the freezer. I bought some yummy Cumberland pork bangers. These are the best sausages ever. I bought a couple packs of this one, back bacon. You can't find this in the United States. It looks like this, and it tastes a bit like a mixture between ham and bacon, and it's so good. So I bought that. I bought my husband and I a couple pork pies that are in a tin. Just toss them in the oven. So I'm looking for, I've not had that one before. That's old world traditional, so anxious to try that. All right, so that was the frozen stuff. I also bought some mushy peas. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had mushy peas and if you like them. I bought some bistro. This comes in beef, chicken, and I think in England, I think there's like a pork flavored one, but they're granules to make gravy, and this makes a really nice dark gravy. It's actually pretty low in carbs, so it's good. And I bought some snacks to try that I've never had before. These are called Monster Munch. Pickled onion. No idea, but we're gonna try them. I bought some seasoning mixes. So I bought a Guinness seasoning mix for shepherd's pie. Difference between shepherd's pie and cottage pie. Shepherd's pie uses lamb, ground lamb, and cottage pie will use ground beef. So that looks good. Not had it before. These I have had before. It's Coleman shepherd pie mix. It's very good. You can buy this on Amazon. That I do know because I've gotten it there. And they do make a cottage pie mix too. We were out, so I picked up some HP sauce, which I don't really know how to describe it. I'll have to think on that one. While we were getting fish and chips, they had McDonald's original curry sauce. So I got a couple of those to make some curry. I bought custard creams, yummy. We'll be trying those. I bought some raspberry and custard. I was gonna get digestives, but I've had digestives and they're fine. And I was gonna do the dodgy jammers, but I forgot. An Arrow bar, yum. And then they've all spilled out because in the car I couldn't wait to open the bag. It's a candy, it's a clove drop. And if you could smell this, it smells like cloves. So they're just little hard candies, which they have a lot of sugar, I'm very sure. So I put one in my mouth yesterday, sucked on it for like a minute, and I said to Lori, I have to spit it out. And she said, why? I said, well, because I can't eat the whole thing. She's like, why'd you buy them? So I can at least get a little enjoyment, right? So they're really good. I picked up 3 drinks. Of course, I've got the traditional Irn-Bru. This way. We're gonna have that. National Drink of Scotland. I picked up some old Jamaican ginger beer. I don't think I've ever had ginger beer, so I'm looking forward to that. And this one, I talked to Lorna yesterday. She was actually drinking this while she was on a live, and she's from the UK. This is amazing. It is Ben Shaw's Dandelion and Burdock, and it's like a seltzer, but I don't like seltzer waters. I don't like flavored waters, tonic waters. This, though, is a carbonated drink, and it is so refreshing and so good. If we could buy this, Ben Shaw, if you're listening, if you can start selling this in the United States, I'll give up all my soda. No more Diet Pepsi for me. This would be all I would drink. It is that good. So we'll be opening that too. So that's everything I bought. What am I going to do with it all? I'm going to make a video on making a traditional Scottish breakfast, a fry-up. I'm going to be making some shepherd's pies. I'm going to be making some curry videos. I'm going to be doing some taste test videos. So that's what I'm going to do with all of it. So lots of content coming out of this in the very near future. Thank you for watching. Again, if you are so inclined, if you could like and subscribe and ring the bell, let your friends know. We do it all here. Sky's the limit, really, with the content we create. So I feel like eventually, once we get everything, out there, and then it will just continue to grow. But I feel like we'll have something for everybody. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks again, and I will talk to you soon.